Hello everyone, my name is Jacinta and welcome to our Mindful Thursday. Every Thursday I'm going to show you one mindful tool you can use to practice mindfulness with your child. And MediMonkey, it will be our lovely assistant because as you know, kids love all the visual props and it helps them to focus better and to use the imagination. So our meetings will be every Thursday, but not always the same time. So I will try to put some posts and make sure that you can make some space in your calendar for another session next week. And today I will show you how to use a breathing ball. As you know, breathing is really useful tool for children to calm down. And this is the most natural activity for us to breathe, but also because children can't see their breath, it's really difficult for them to imagine how they can use it, especially when they feel the strong emotions. So this visual tool is amazing. I love calling this a puffer fish, and sometimes I discover some new names, depends on the activity. And this breathing ball is colorful. So you can buy them in different colors, and it's a good idea to let your child to choose the favorite color. Some of them can be expensive, some of them can be much cheaper. You can find very cheap one in our online shop. But I can give you a tip. You don't have to have your own breathing ball. You can use some similar tools, but I will tell you about it later. First, okay, MediMonkey. He's a really good assistant. Kids love him because he's nice and fluffy, and Monkey is quite similar to kids. Yeah, it's not a joke, like they are really active, just like Monkey. They have crazy ideas and they are obviously wiggly and they can be really flexible. So MediMonkey is a good friend that shows children how to use some of the tools. So I love using MediMonkey. He can sit still, hold the ball, and ask your child to think about the breath and look at the ball in the same time. And they will notice that when they breathe in, their lungs expand. Something is happening in their chest. It gets bigger, just like the ball. And when they breathe out, the ball goes smaller. So this is really cool tool that shows how the body reacts to our breath. And that you have kind of control over it. You use your hands to open the ball and shut. And when you try to do it in the same time, use your breath in the same time, just breathe in and breathe out, it gets easier for children to focus on their breath. It's also very good exercise for very small children because they learn how to use their motoric skills, how to open and shut. You can sing a song, open, shut them, open, shut them. Yes, you can use your imagination as well and let your child to explore. Like, this is really spiky, so I wouldn't recommend this breathing ball for kids under 3 without your supervision. And it's colorful as well, so you might ask your child, oh, can you look at the blue parts only? Let's focus on the blue color. So they will look at the blue parts of the breathing ball. Yeah, and it's much easier to focus on your breath without thinking too much. Yeah. Or you can ask them to focus on different parts of the ball. Yeah. And obviously you can do lots of things with the breathing ball, not only breathing exercises, but also balancing. Whoa! Kids love doing this. Yeah? Can you stay still for 5 seconds? Good. They also love doing some sort of experiments like trying to spin the ball. Yeah, it opens when you spin, it shuts. It's also very nice. But also, they can practice catching, which is a very good exercise to practice coordination. So you can open the ball, throw, and catch. You can try to use your breath at the same time as well. This is so cool. So you can use the ball in many ways. I love calling this a pufferfish because it's small at the beginning and not very spectacular, just like pufferfish. But when you scare the pufferfish off, it shows its spikes. Kids love this idea because some of them have bad dreams at night and they can use their own pufferfish to scare them off. So they can imagine that they have pufferfish inside of their lungs, and when they feel scared, they use this special breath to blow the pufferfish and scare all the bad dreams. So this is really cool exercise. But I know that obviously not everyone has a breathing ball at home. So another exercise using the same idea is to use the fingers. You can ask your child to join all the fingers in this shape and use the breath to open and shut, just like this.